Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create this trending speed ramp effect that we see on Instagram. It is going viral, and it is very easy to make. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. Here I have 2 clips already edited to show you a quick example. And here is the original clip that we will work on. First we need to keep only about 20 frames from the clip. Scroll through and find the best part of the video. I will start from here. To trim the beginning, hold Alt and press the opening bracket key. Now move forward 20 frames by holding Shift and pressing page down twice. Then trim the end by holding Alt and pressing the closing bracket key. I will place this clip right after the first 2 clips. Next we need to stabilize and lock onto the footage, just like in a typical speed ramp edit. I will use Mocha AE for this, but you can also use Stabilize Motion or the track camera method. If you are new to Stabilization, you can check my full tutorial in the description, where I explain all lock-on stabilization techniques. In Mocha, select the rectangle tool and I will mask the tail light, since I want to lock onto it and keep it centered. I will also click the planar surface icon. This helps define a flat surface based on the tracking data, allowing us to align and keep the object perfectly centered later. Next, enable perspective and click the track forward button, then wait for it to finish analyzing. Once it's done, click Save and close Mocha AE. Back in After Effects, expand Tracking Data and click Create Track Data. Select the layer and press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Copy the center keyframes. Then press A to reveal the anchor point property and paste the copied keyframes onto it. And that's it, the lock-on stabilization is complete. Now scale the video slightly to remove the black edges. Next, pre-compose the layer. Make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration are selected, then click OK. Move the layer right after the first 2 clips. Now enable Time Remapping to begin the speed ramp. Right-click on the layer, go to Time, and select Enable Time Remapping. Now scroll to the very first keyframe on the layer. From that point, move 10 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down. Drag the second keyframe to that position to speed up the clip. If the video turns black, simply adjust the time remap by moving the keyframe 1 frame backward to fix it. Now copy those 2 keyframes. Move forward another 10 frames by holding Shift and pressing page down, then paste the keyframes. Go to the last keyframe, then split the layer and delete the remaining part. Now let's quickly preview what we have. And there we go, the video is complete. No additional curve adjustments are needed, you can leave it as it is. I will just speed up the clip slightly because it feels a bit slow. To speed up the layer with keyframes, hold Alt and drag the layer to the left. Let's preview the video one more time, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.